Hamster.
Go say hi to Hammy Hamster.
Hi.
Drinky, drinky, yeah.
Do you want to smell? And hamster want to smell? And hamster want to smell?
Smell your fingers?
Yeah.
Only with a grown-up, right? The door only opens when there's a grown-up with you. You want to go say good morning to Hammy Hamster? Spotty, over there. Go say hi.
Spotty, just scratching himself.
He's scratching himself? Oh, you want to give him some more spinach?
Yeah.
Go to the fridge, get some more spinach. Okay, leave the door closed. I don't want him to get out, please. Oh, where's he going?
Next one. I'll go 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 next one.
Do you want to go get him some spinach from the fridge?
Oh.
Okay, open up the door. Oh, honey.
Open up the door.
Gently. Wait till hamster. Wait till Spotty's out of the way. Okay, open now. Here's some more.
Spotty. Spotty, Spotty.
Okay, now close.
Spotty, Spotty. Spinach, spinach. I eating it.
He likes it?
He likes it. I like the spinach.
Spinach is good for hamsters.
Yeah. They love me. I'm your tummy.
Yummy in the tummy.
Mommy, I like spinach. Chocolate spinach.
There's chocolate sleeping up top there.
Top. Climb, 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 water bill.
Mm-hmm.
He fell asleep. See?
And he fall asleep, yes.
Mommy, it tastes like food.
It does taste like food.
Oh. Climb and climb, climb. Fall asleep.
And then he fall asleep. You want to sing Chocolate Lullaby? Sing him a little song?
Bye-bye. So sorry. I sing a lullaby.
Right? Yeah, he's singing a nice lullaby song. Rock-a-bye, chop, baby, on the tree.
I made a new one. I made a new one for the hamster. Rock-a-bye, hamster, have a sleep tight. When I blow the whistle, then you will fall asleep.
Nice singing, Ben. What you building? Wow, you've taken over the table. What's this kit? What's that in front of you you're building?
Connect.
Is it a spaceship?
It's a car.
Can I show it to the camera? thing keeps breaking, doesn't it?
Yeah. But I still like it.
Did you have any of your cereal yet this morning?
Oh, I forgot. Long hamster.
Did Charlotte eat her breakfast?
Yeah.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I eat a pancake.
Oh, yummy. You like pancakes? It's all
Yeah,
gone.
I'm a pancake.
You ate it all up. It's all gone. Oh, Charlie, we got to close the fridge door. I'm glad you got the spinach. Let's close the door. Keep the cold in.
He's really scared.
Is he really scared? Or is he happy to eat the spinach?
He's really scared. He's really scared of chocolate. You get hug.
You want to hug him? Yeah. We don't hug the hamsters yet. Not yet.
I put them all in hug.
You want to put him in the ball and let him have a hug? Careful, careful.
What?
You're going to knock the cage over. Okay.
Sorry, hamster.
Yeah, we're not going to put the ball out right now. No, Charlie. Charlie.
Please.
You said please? All right, all right. I'll help. Here. Okay, now push the drawer back in. There, okay.
Close.
It's closed, yes. Okay, hang on. Wait for Mommy.